Wait, that husky is questioning reality, my brain hurts.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Help, this kitty just saw something. I can watch this all day.
Get it, Shelby, get it.
Where?
Yo, my neighbor's dog just realized he is a dog. I am dying. Man, the boss is acting crazy. FBI, open up. Wow, my neighbor's dog just failed physics class. I can watch this all day. Hey, this absolute unit is fighting a ghost. What a meme.
Maple.
Dale.
OMG, that kitten just failed physics class. Mood.
Bakıyor acaba nereden mamayı kapabilirim?
Tiene sobrepeso u obesidad. Bueno, vamos a ver.
Oh my god, this fluff ball is training for the Olympics. Same bro, same.
Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy.
Wait, the doggo is having an existential crisis. I am dying.
Look at this. We're flying together. Hi, buddy. Can I pet you? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is unreal.
Check this out. This legend is acting crazy. Legendary. Seriously, this cat needs a factory reset. I need him.
Oh my god.
Hey, basta. Basta!
Seriously, this kitty is having an existential crisis. Too wholesome. Hey, this criminal is acting crazy. What is going on?
Це не Миша?
Nie, łaski kostek.
Який?
О.
Може забрати в вагончик до нас?
Кормить.
Gay! Gay!
Man, this fluff ball is lagging. I can watch this all day.
Milo, let go. Milo. Milo. Milo, let go. Milo.
Dude, that husky is vibing too hard, too cute.
Hello, Phoenix.
Hey, the puppy is stuck in the Matrix, legendary. Look at, this legend is speaking fluent alien, my brain hurts. Guys, this little guy thinks he is a human, best thing ever. I swear, the puppy is defying gravity, my brain hurts. Bro, that dog is broken, my brain hurts. OMG, that dog is fighting a ghost, I can't even.
Do you hear that?
Honestly, this golden retriever needs a factory reset. Same bro, same.
Ну покажи ушастик. Оп, белочка. Что ты, белочка? Балдёжница.
Pew! Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Guys, the pet forgot how to walk. I can watch this all day.
Oh no!
No way, the doggo was vibing too hard. What a meme. Check this out. This cat thinks he is a human. Classic. OMG, this little guy forgot how to walk. Same bro, same.
Don't do it. That is my beverage. Don't do it. Toot-us! No, no.
She is so funny. Oh my gosh. She's trying to get bigger than him. Oh my god.
Wow, this legend is dancing. Send help.
Depois eu quero, tenho muito o que fazer, né? Who's there? Hello?
Oh my god.